Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you a stitch called arcade stitch. Now this stitch is very easy and pretty stitch, and this involves basic crochet stitches like chain stitches, single crochets and double crochets. So let's see how this is worked out. Now stitch is a multiple of 6 followed by 1 chain. So here I am going to chain 30, that is the fifth multiple of 6 plus 1 chain. So in all I will be working 31 chains. So here I have worked 31 chains. Now in order to work the first round, skip the first chain from the hook and work 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches. Now work 3 chains. Skip the next 3 stitches and work 1 single crochet into next 3 stitches. So skipping the 3 stitches. So here I have worked the 3 single crochets. Again work 3 chains and skip the next 3 stitches and work 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. So this is how this pattern repeats. Just continue working like this. So here I have worked the first round with the sequence as I mentioned before by working 3 single crochets and then working 3 chains, skipping the next 3 stitches and working 3 single crochets. So you have to just continue like this, and here I have come to the end. I am left with 4 stitches. So after working the 3 chains, I will be skipping the next 3 stitches and work 1 single crochet into the last stitch. So that finishes our round 1. Now in order to work the second round, work 1 chain and turn your work. Now on top of the last single crochet that we had worked, we will be working 1 single crochet. Into the chain 3 space, work 7 double crochets. So just go inside the chain 3 space and work 7 double crochets. Now here I have worked with the 7 double crochets. Now moving to the 3 single crochets that we had worked in the previous row, work 1 single crochet on top of the middle single crochet. So just skipping the first single crochet, work 1 single crochet on top of the second one. Now again moving to the chain 3 space, work 7 double crochet. This is how this pattern repeats. As you can see, I have worked the 7 double crochets into the chain 3 space, and on the middle single crochet of the 3 single crochets worked, I have worked 1 single crochet, and then again moving to the chain 3 space, I will be working 7 double crochet. So just continue working like this till you reach the end. Here I have done the second round with the sequence as I mentioned before. Now in order to end this round, we are left with the 2 single crochets worked in the previous row. So just work 1 single crochet on top of the last single crochet. Now for the third round, work 4 chains and turn your work. Now skip the first 3 single crochets and work 1 single crochet on top of the next 3 stitches. So into next 3 stitches, I will be working 1 single crochet each. Again work 3 chains. Skip the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and work 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. So here I worked the 3 single crochets. Again work 3 chains and skip the next 5 stitches, and into the next 3 stitches work 1 single crochet. So this will be the pattern sequence for this round. So just continue working like this till you reach the end. After working the last set of 3 double crochets, work 1 chain, and here we have 3 stitches left. So work 1 double crochet on top of the last stitch. So that finishes our round 3. Now in order to work the 4th round, work 1 chain and turn your work. Into this chain 1 space, we'll be working 3 double crochets. Now into the middle single crochet of the 3 single crochets worked in the previous row, work 1 single crochet. Again moving to the chain 3 space, work 7 double crochets. Here we have the 3 single crochets. So as per the sequence, we'll be working 1 single crochet on top of the middle single crochet. So this is how this pattern repeats. Just continue working like this till you reach the end. So here I have almost come to the end of the 4th round. Now in order to finish this round, into this space, we'll be working 4 double crochets. In order to work the 5th round, work 1 chain and turn your work. Into the first 2 stitches, work 2 single crochets. Chain 3. Skip the next 5 stitches and work 1 single crochet into next 3 stitches. Again work chain 3. Skip the next 5 stitches and work 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. So this is the repeat sequence for this round. So just continue working like this till you reach the end. I have almost come to the end of the 5th round. In order to end this round, skip the next 5 stitches and we are left with the last stitch. So work 1 single crochet on top of it. Now this stitch is basically a repeat of the 4 rounds we have done, that is from round 2 to round 5. Now the next 6th round will be a repeat of round 2. So once I am done with the 6th round, which is similar to round 2, I'll get back to you. Here I have finished the 6th round in same way as the 2nd round, and as I mentioned before, this stitch is a basically repeat sequence of 4 rows, that is from round 2 to round 5. You will be repeating it for the desired length of your crochet work. This stitch pattern can be used to do various crochet work like baby shawls, ponchos, baby skirts, frocks, blankets and many more. So I hope you found this tutorial really very useful as well as interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.